Good morning, Zimbabwe, and a blessed Sunday morning. Let us be honest with ourselves and pray for a mindset shift, both at home and in the diaspora. Zana vina mashoko vakomana macritics vana kirina mjata vanyazozikanwa kuti havadi kuona zvigananda panguva ino ouya zvekare achipinda munaonene yake ndoti wasubscribe walike on the bell icon. Kirina mjata mudanyora chiti those of us abroad may we never return home empty-handed or carrying a spirit of entitlement like that man we saw in Chief Mtasa's court fighting over his parents' property. Work for your own. Nothing in this life is free. To those back home, stop thinking your relatives in the diaspora owe you black tax. Nobody owes you shit. Get up, learn a skill, hustle, and earn your own living. Support should come from goodwill, not guilty. Our country is broken because too many people feel entitled. Everyone wants to receive, but few wants to put in the work. Even those in the diaspora face their own struggles. Stop milking them dry. Some of you are just waiting for your parents or siblings to die so you can take over their property and savings. That is not inheritance. That is greedy and witchcraft, not destiny. Change your mindset, refuse to be lazy, stop coveting what is not yours. Build your own legacy and stop depending on others. Let us change our mindset, reject entitlement, and build a nation based on effort, not exploitation, entitlement, and expectation. Zimbabwe will only change when we, the people, stop living off entitlement and start living with purpose. Kudare ra Chief Mtasa kune zvidzidzo zvakawanda zveupenyu. Problem. The President Emerson Mnangagwa anobva auya achitaura mamwe mashoko mamwe asingatitauri panapa anoonekwa kunzi anotukurira mutungamiri wenyika. Mbodzi mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pemashoko ayo ari very powerful ari kutaurwa panapa ananakirina mjati. Pinda comment section medu kunze mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.